Overlooking the peaceful waters of Tampa Bay, you'll discover a one-of-a-kind destination, rich in history and revered for world-class hospitality. From a small board meeting to a convention or special event, the historic Safety Harbor Resort and Spa offers a distinctive backdrop for any event. Our meeting and conference facilities are comfortable and distraction-free, with 30,000 square feet of flexible meeting and convention space, including outdoor venues with spectacular views of Tampa Bay. The Safety Harbor Resort and Spa can accommodate groups from 10 to 500 guests. Our 65-seat amphitheater is ideal for training, while boardrooms are perfect for executive sessions. For product demonstrations, festive awards dinner, or any function requiring AV equipment, the 3,200 square foot tiered Baronoff Theater is the perfect option. With natural lighting and 2 balconies overlooking Tampa Bay, the Athena Ballroom has a bright, cheerful environment that is perfect for smaller groups. The Four Springs is our flagship ballroom with high ceilings and sparkling chandeliers. You can make an impression on your guests with this opulent space, perfect for large groups, dinners, or special events. Our conference center has a private entrance leading into the Bayshore rooms, which are flexible for various sized groups. The adjacent lobby allows luncheons and receptions to be all in one convenient area. The Bayview Terrace is our exclusive waterfront location right on Tampa Bay. Enjoy a cocktail reception followed by dinner. It's also picture perfect for a wedding celebration. The Tranquility Garden is peaceful and relaxing, perfect for a breakout in the day or an evening reception by the fountain. There are even more rooms that bring flexibility for breakout meetings, brainstorming sessions, or small group gatherings. Our tastefully appointed rooms and suites feature luxurious bedding, and many have views of Tampa Bay. With wireless internet access in all meeting rooms and guest rooms, a professional conference services staff, and a 50,000 square foot spa and state-of-the-art fitness center, the Safety Harbor Resort and Spa is the perfect destination for your next meeting. Call us at 727-724-7710 and let our professional meeting planners help you plan your next meeting or event.